Hello. If you want buy the Fantom, okay, FTM Crypto, okay, here have the guide step by step, okay, for the buy this crypto, okay. Here, okay, we are going to the Binance, okay, and here we are going to the this, okay, to the search, and here you put the crypto, okay. Okay, you put the FTM or Fantom, okay, and here you go to the FTM, okay. Here, okay, you go to here, okay, and this panel, okay, you put the quantity, okay, of FTM, okay. uh, if you want the quantity, okay, 0.2, okay, or 1, okay. Here have the total, okay, in USDT, okay, and you click to the buy FTM, okay, and here you click to the buy FTM, okay, and here in this panel, okay, in your currency, okay, you select your currency, and you select, okay, you put the amount, okay, in your currency, okay. For example, 5 euros, okay. Here I get this amount in FTM, okay. Here, if you registered in Binance, okay, you click to the buy, okay, and you buy the FTM. Bye bye.